Facing issues after a Windows 11 update? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In the next 10 seconds, I'll guide you on how to fix errors and get your computer back on track. Press the Windows key plus I, then select Windows Update from the left-hand navigation bar, followed by Update History. Scroll down until you meet the Uninstall Updates button and click on it. Click on the first update from the Microsoft Windows list and then hit Uninstall. Protect makes it easy and quick to find any Windows errors, including the infamous blue screen of death, and to take the appropriate action to fix these problems on your computer. Protect can handle problems arising from malware infections, corrupted system files, or issues that arise following a Windows update. To be more precise, it does this by first figuring out where the problem started, then pinpointing the precise components that were causing the problems, and then using its large database to automatically replace or fix the files. Press the Windows key plus I to open the Settings app, then navigate to Windows Update as we have shown below. Now click on the down arrow next to Pause Updates and select a desired period during which your OS won't update itself. Tap on the Windows key, and I simultaneously then navigate Tot System followed by Troubleshoot, as we have shown below. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Now click on Run next to Windows Update. Let the troubleshooting process to complete, then follow the on-screen steps. That's it. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.